This better be in focus. If it's not in focus, Corey focused it, so don't hate on me, hate on Corey. Thank you. Hello everyone. I'm not in my kitchen because it's not my house, but you're joining us, not us, because Mum's outside. What am I on about? You're in the kitchen. Today we're baking up a storm because truly I'm just really hungry and I want to bake some stuff so I can eat it. So hell yeah. So I passed food tech in high school, aced that shit. Probably the only class I actually aced.
No.
I aced photography as well. Anyways, that's not the point. You're welcome. So a lot of people would say that I'm a really bad, I was that person, a really bad cook, but I think I'm a great baker. Cooking is not my actual like forte. I like to bake more than I cook. Mother, shush it. Mum chose these. If it tastes like shit, I'm just gonna blame her. Basically my motto in life, if it doesn't go well, I'm just gonna blame someone else because I don't want to take the blame for it. Anyways, I'm gonna be making a sticky date sponge pudding mix. Whoa! So I'm making this and then I'm going to be making a chocolate fudge super moist cake mix. Wow, okay. This takes 55 minutes to cook. Oh, the pudding takes 45. What? Okay, so I guess we're going to make the cake first because I kind of don't want to put them all in the oven at the exact same time, so sue me. This serves 10. This serves 10. So we will need 3 eggs, milk, butter, a cake pan, and then it tells you what to do for the decoration portion. We will start to cook this, so if you want to see me not burn the house down, hopefully not, keep on watching. Obviously I'm not making this by scratch, it's pre-packaged because I'm a lazy piece of shit and cannot be bothered. So that's the icing. Oh, I just dropped the eggs. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, I can't even open it. That's a great start. There's already my hair in the bowl. Well, that's a great start. Phone angle, camera angle. Living the actual best life. Who am I, freaking Casey Neistat? Okay. I'm gonna sieve the mixture into the bowl because I'm extra and think I'm bloody Gordon Ramsay or some shit. Oh, it smells really good. So I'm gonna plop that in the bowl. Oh God. This is a lot harder than I expected. Also, my apron says life was meant to be cheesy. I love cheese. Don't question it. That looks like absolute shit. Let's be real. I don't know why I'm doing it in this. I have to put it in the mixer anyway. So I'm just basically giving Mum more dishes, which is really stupid of me. I'll clean it. So, 3 eggs. Or no. Dos. And tres. Ooh, yeah, bitch. How much butter? 4 tablespoons of butter. It also says 80 grams. And we actually have a scale, so I'm going to use the scale. Because, let's be real, we bought it, Dad uses it, and I don't. So I think he would love me to actually use it. It is so dusty. So we have our little butter. Can I put this in the microwave, Mum? Not recommended for microwave. Don't worry, it's not recommended. How do I make it go back to 0? We're just having some technical difficulties, guys. Okay, well I'm not going to use the scale because I frankly don't know how to use it, so woo. Oh shit, that's a lot of butter. Okay, woo! So that's going in the microwave because, yeah. How much milk do we need? 165 mils. Oh, I love me milk. I don't think that's enough, I don't really know, to be honest. I'm gonna pop the milk in here. Ew, that sounds like absolute shit. Got our butter. Gonna mix it up just a bit. And we're gonna add the butter into the mixture. Ugh, I have no comment at this point in time, so yeah, you can kindly leave your opinions at the door. So now I'm on the phone camera because I can't bother moving the actual bloody camera. So we're at my little mixer. This is my little station, not really. Oh, okay. Oh my God. So I'm gonna use this thing because this is the beta one, so I'm gonna put it on the machine. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the little bowl on and I'm gonna turn it. Calm down. Okay, so I think that's good. It smells really good, by the way. So now I've got my mixture in here. Looks like absolute dog shit, but it tastes good, doesn't matter. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil on the base and probably stick baking paper. So I'm just gonna use some spray oil, just so the paper has something to stick to, I guess. Oh! I learned that you should like cut a circle out, but I'm not that talented. So now I'm just gonna tip the batter in. Oh, yummo. Okay, so this is going to go into the oven. So I'm going to put this in the oven and I'm going to come back and do the pudding. Pudding? Yeah, pudding. Well, I just realised that this is not filming, so I apologise for the shitty angle of my phone camera, so I'm grateful that I'm recording on that. Okay, so now we're going to start the sticky date sponge pudding mix. This one's kind of different because you've got to pour over the sauce or some shit. I'm actually going to be using the mixing beating thing. So I'm just going to put this in here. So we've got 1 egg. I already melted my 2 tablespoons of butter because I thought that was appropriate, because it'd probably be a really boring video if I actually showed you the fact that I was melting butter. And it says 2 tablespoons or 40 mils of water. So I'm going to use the cup thingy. That's literally all you do. But now I'm going to beat this little mixture onto the mixer. So I'm just going to use the exact same attachment, is that the word? And I'm going to mix this up. Holy shit. This is very small, but I'm pretty sure once you add like the water and the sauce, it obviously becomes better. Oh my god, that's like nothing. Okay, so this is what the mixture looks like. Not a massive, you know, big fan of that, but whatever. So pour batter into an oven-proof bowl. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use a loaf pan, because that's what the Bensons do. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the oil and baking paper. I'm going to scoop this in. Looks like pancake mix. It's literally nothing, but I have to try and spread it out. That's good enough, right? Wow, okay, Mum. Thanks! It's fine. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So now I have to sprinkle the sauce on top. The water is boiling in the background if you can hear that, so I do apologise. It says I have to sprinkle contents of sauce over batter, and then I have to put the, whatchamacallit, the water on top of it. So I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. So I need 1.5 So I need 1.5 cups of boiling water on top of this, and then I have to put it in the oven. Great! Let's see how this works out. So we'll do 1 cup on top, and then another half. It kind of stinks, being completely honest. Okay, so basically now I have to put this in the oven. So when you see me next, hopefully my creations have not been burnt. I didn't burn the cake. Well, I kind of did, but it's fine. It's really dark outside, or it's getting dark outside. That's why the lighting has changed drastically. But I just made like the icing for this particular cake off camera just because I thought it was boring. It's literally just the powder and water. But this shit is so strong. Mum can vouch for me.
Yeah.
See, it's so strong. I don't know if I want to put it on the cake. But a little bit of the cake is burnt, just the top, because the oven's kind of new and we're kind of getting used to it. But like, look at it, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I like cake. I feel like that dude from bloody Matilda.
Smells chocolatey, eh?
But the sticky date, is it sticky date pudding? No. Yeah. It's sticky date sponge pudding. What's the freaking difference? It's still in the oven. Once the pudding is done, I'll come back to y'all and see how it looks. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. You excited, Mum?
Oh, yeah.
So much enthusiasm.
Oh, yeah.
You wonder me when the feeling's so gone. And I tell everyone, the look on your face will slowly come undone. Cause it was all a front. I say it to your face that you need to find another place to stay. And I tell everyone, hey. Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the wood drop. If you busy plotting on what I got. Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the wood drop. Goddamn, I love paper like a microscope. I can do things that your man cannot.
I'm now not in an apron because everything is cooked. By the way, this is a matching PJ set from Kmart, so come at me. So basically, this is what the cake looks like. I think it's perfect. Maybe not. Just the top is a bit burnt, but Corey and Dad likes burnt shit, so I guess that's good. I don't know. And then I just got the Sticky Date sponge pudding thing out of the oven. You can't see shit, so I'm gonna put like a little iPhone video here. This is what is it even called? The sponge thing. This smells so good. I'm more excited for this than that. But that is what obviously the top looks like. You can't really see it in the camera, but I'll just scrape off the top for Corey. It's fine. I think I did a pretty darn good job. I'm okay with baking. It's just cooking is not my forte, as I said before. But Gordon Ramsay, you have someone coming for you, okay? I'm gonna be on Hell's Kitchen, and I'm gonna be #1, and I'm gonna like work in my own restaurant. I'm coming for your game, mother fudger. Gordon Ramsay, I'm coming for you. I love you though. But that's basically it, guys. I didn't burn the house down. It is currently 8 o'clock and I'm sweating like an absolute pig. So that's great. If you guys enjoy this video, what should they do, Mum?
Watch it. Like it.
Yeah, listen to Mum or she'll come and hunt you down and
Oh, bloody asshole.
do something. Yeah, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want another cooking with Chloe or baking with Chloe, let me know. Maybe give me some recipes that are very, very difficult and I will hopefully not burn the house down. All my social media links, so stalk me on them, are in the description box. I hope you guys had a great day, whenever you're watching this. I don't bloody know what to say anymore. I will see you guys next week with another video. Toodles, ciao. What else do you say?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Oh, it's over! Yay! Okay, bye! Oh, our neighbour is outside. Oh, so I'm not filming anymore. Bye!